Good morning, students. Today we are continue our topic complex numbers. We did some problems in the previous class. Square root of the complex number, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, how to find them, and also we did some problems related to purely imaginary and real part, imaginary part, and also how to convert a complex number in the form a plus ib. We did some more problems related to them. Now we are going to do one problem related to the complex numbers to find some variables what are given according to the question. The question is find the real values of small x and small y. Question: find the real values of x and y. Okay, x and y. If x minus 1 by 3 plus I, y minus 1 by 3 minus I, 3 plus I, y minus 1 by 3 minus I equal to 1. Let us see how do we do this problem. Understand? Okay. Now we are going to do this problem as like this. Okay. Now we are doing like this. Consider x minus 1 by 3 plus I plus y minus 1 by 3 minus I equal to y minus 1 by 3 minus I equal to I. Okay? I. This is I. Now, take LCM 3 plus I into 3 minus I. Okay. What will come in numerator? X minus 1 into 3 minus I. Take cross multiplication. Y minus 1 into 3 plus I equal to I. Now open the bracket in numerator. X into 3x, x into minus I, minus xi, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus into minus, plus I, plus y into 3y, plus y into yi, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus into plus, minus I, all by denominator in the form of a plus b into a plus b, a square, 3 square, minus I square. Understand? This can be taken as equal to this is I. Now, in numerator, take all real parts together. 3x is a real part, minus 3 is a real part, plus 3y is a real part. We have taken together, and also one more real part, minus 3 is there here. Okay? All these are real parts. Next, I get common. What are they? Minus x. Okay. Here I get common plus 1. I get common. One more thing. Here minus I plus I get cancelled. Okay. Take remaining values. No problem. Minus x plus y. These are the values of imaginary. plus I get cancelled. Understand? Okay. Now next one, denominator. 3 square 9, I square value minus 1, that should be getting plus 1 equal to I. Take cross multiplication. This can be 3x plus 3y minus 6 plus I into minus x plus y whole by 10 equal to I. Take cross multiplication. What will come here? 3x plus 3y minus 6 real part minus x plus y imaginary part equal to 10i. This can be taken as 3x plus 3y minus 6 plus I into minus x plus y equal to 0 plus 10i. Equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. Equating the real and imaginary parts on both sides. Imaginary parts on both sides. What is the real part left side? 3x plus 3y minus 6, right side real part 0. What will come here? 3 get common. X plus y minus 2 equals 0. Let it be equation 1. Next, take imaginary parts. Minus x plus y equal to 10. Okay. Now, this is set equation 2. This equation 1 also can be written as x plus y equal to 2. Now, we are going to solve them to find the values of x and y. Now, we have to solve the equations. Solving equations 1 and 2. Okay. What will come here? X plus y equal to 2 minus x plus y equal to 10. What will come? Adding the equations. Add. What will come here? X get cancelled. 2y equal to 12. Y value how much came here? 6. That value of y put in either equation 1 or 2, we can get the value of x. From equation 1, x plus y value is 6 equal to x equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4. Therefore, what is the value of x and y? X equal to minus 4, y equal to 6 are our required values. Understand? Now, let us go for next exercise. The problems we can do them now. Find the mod amplitude form of 1 minus I. Listen. Question. Find the mod amplitude form of Find the mod amplitude form of 1 minus I. Understand? Mod amplitude into the mod amplitude form. Listen, one important thing. Mod amplitude form. Mod amplitude form and modulus polar form. Both are the same. Mod amplitude form and polar form both are the same. Understand? As like this. Okay? Now let us see how do we get the mod amplitude form, polar form. Let 1 minus I equal to r cos theta plus ir sin theta. Understand? R cos theta plus ir sin theta is the polar form of a complex number. Now, this complex number in the form x plus iy. X value is real part, y value is imaginary. Imaginary nothing but which is the coefficient of I. Imaginary means the value associated with I called imaginary. What is the value associated with I? -1, which is imaginary. Now we are going to find the value of r. The formula is x square plus y square. What is x value? 1. Y value -1 square. So what will come? 1 plus 1 root 2 will come. Now equating the real and imaginary parts. Equating the real and imaginary parts. Imaginary parts on both sides. Okay? What is real part left side? 1. What is real part right side? R cos theta. So r cos theta is 1. R sin theta equal to -1. These are the real and imaginary parts. Understand? So the next thing is we can take as like this. Put r value here. R value is root 2 cos theta equal to 1. Root 2 sin theta equal to -1. What is cos theta value here? Cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. Sin theta equal to -1 by root 2. Okay? Here cos theta is positive, sin theta is negative. Cos theta positive, sin theta negative. Theta lies in 4th quadrant. I have already told you how do we take theta in 4th quadrant, theta in 1st quadrant, 2nd quadrant, minus pi plus theta minus theta. This is the way to take the principal argument value in the quadrants. Now theta lies in 4th quadrant. So how do we take in 4th quadrant? Take minus theta. Understand? So principal argument value is equals to theta equal to, for what value of theta? 1 by root 2 will come in cos function and sin function. 45 degrees. in radians should be pi by 4. Understand? This is principal argument value. Now, polar form or mod amplitude form. Amplitude form. Polar form or mod amplitude form, both terms is the same. Now, it will be 1 minus I equal to R value root 2 cos theta. Theta principal argument value take in fourth quadrant minus theta. So, should be take minus sign. Actually, cos theta is 1 by root 2 pi by 4, 45 degrees. To take the principal argument value in the fourth quadrant, take minus theta. We should keep minus here. Understand? Okay. Root 2 cos minus pi by 4 plus I root 2 sin minus pi by 4. It can be taken as root 2 get common, cos minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. This is the polar form of 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Understand? Next, let us go for one more problem. Okay, let us see how do we do one more problem like this. Next, simplify. Okay, the next question is simplify the value and obtain the modulus of that complex number. The another question is simplify. Okay, minus 2I into 3 plus I into 2 plus 4I into 1 plus I. 2 plus 4I into 1 plus I. After simplifying, find its modulus and obtain the modulus of that complex number. And obtain the modulus of that complex number. Modulus of that complex number. Okay. Now let us find this value. Now we can do as like this. Question is simplifying minus 2I, 3 plus I, 2 plus 4I, 1 plus I. Consider minus 2I, 3 plus I, 2 plus 4I, 1 plus I. Open first two brackets and open the second two brackets. Minus 2I into 3, minus 6I. Minus 2 into I square. Next second two brackets, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into I, 2I. 4I into 1, 4I plus 4I into I, 4I square. Now minus 6I, wherever I square is there, write minus 1, so that should be plus 2. Next 2 plus 6I, 2 plus 4, minus 4, because I square, wherever I square is there, we have taken minus 1. This will come as minus 6i plus 2, and this is come as minus 2 plus 6i. Now open the bracket. Okay. Now 6i is minus into minus plus 12i. This can be taken as like this. Okay. Minus, open the brackets, minus into minus plus 12i, minus into plus minus 36i square. This is minus 4 plus 12i, 12 plus 12, 24i. I square value minus 1, 36, minus 4. What will come here? 24i plus 32 will come, because here also we took I square is minus 1. Okay. What is get common here? 8 gets common, 3i plus 4. 8 3 is the 24, 8 4 is the 32. Now its modulus value is we should take like this, modulus 8 into 3i plus 4. 8 take out modulus 3i plus 4 or 4 plus 3i, root of real part square, imaginary part square, imaginary part, real part. How much will come is 25. 8 into 5, what will come? The modulus will come as 40. Understand? Let us go for one more problem. The next question is if z not equal to 0, find argument z plus argument z bar. We are going to find this value. Here z is given, z is a complex number, non-zero complex number. Solution. Suppose let z equal to x plus iy. What is its argument value? Argument z equals to, we can take as tan inverse y by x. Now next z bar equals to, how do we get the conjugate? Wherever I is there, replace it by minus i, x minus iy. Argument z bar equals to tan inverse of minus y by x. Okay. Now consider the value argument z plus argument z bar. Tan inverse y by x plus tan inverse of minus y by x. Understand? It can be taken as like this, tan inverse y by x. Okay? Tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse of minus y by x value is minus tan inverse y by x. Both get cancelled, get 0. Therefore, argument z plus argument z bar equal to 0. Okay, students? The remaining problems we should do in the next class.